Jungle Theme Puzzles for Kids Volume 1. Welcome to the wild world of the jungle. This jungle theme word puzzles book is packed with fun and exciting puzzles that will keep kids entertained for hours. Perfect for young explorers, this book features puzzles filled with fascinating names of animals, birds, insects, etc. What's inside? Word search puzzles. The words you need to find are the names of animals that live in the jungle. These words are hidden in a grid of letters, and they can go across or down directions. The list of animals to find is mentioned below the puzzle. Your job is to search the grid and find each of these animals. Unscramble the words. Each puzzle has 10 scrambled words. Each scrambled word is the name of the animal that you found in the word search puzzles. Your task is to unscramble the letters to figure out which animal it is. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank in each sentence with the name of the animal. This jungle theme word puzzles book is a great way to introduce kids to the amazing creatures of the jungle while sharpening their word skills. It's the perfect mix of fun, learning, and adventure. Grab your copy today and let the jungle exploration begin. Link to buy the book is given in the video description.